Hello guys, welcome to Control Intelligence. Now we are going to begin with our problem statement, that is problems on conditional statements. Our problem statement is grade card problem. Let's dive into the problem. So conditional statement, the problem statement is grade card problem. Accept the percentage from the user and display the grade according to the following criteria. Means you have to accept some percentages from the user and display the grade. So we have to accept the percentage and display the grade. If it is below 25, then D, accordingly C, B, B plus, A and A plus grades are there. So we have to display the grades while taking the input, while taking percentage at the as the input. Now let's move forward in next slide. Here we are taking percentage as the input. By default input text string as the input, but we want to take integer value for the percentage. So we will convert that string into the integer by this function, and then we will use our if, elif and else statement block, which I have explained you in previous video. If you want to watch previous video, subscribe my channel and view the Python tutorial playlist. There I have explained this if, elif and else ladder properly. So if your percentage is greater than 80, then grade is A plus. If your percentage is greater than 60 and below 80, see in problem statement we have seen that if percentage is above 60 and below 80, we have to display the grade as A. If percentage is greater than 50 and less than 60, B plus. If greater than 45, less than 50, B. If greater than 25, less than 45, C. If percentage are greater than or equal to 25, the grade is D. But if the user enters different percentage like 101% or minus 1%, then the message that would be printed would be enter valid percentage. Okay, now we'll go to PyCharm and try to code it. Okay, let's shift to PyCharm. Now here I have written the code for you, this percentage, same code. Okay, now let's execute the grade card problem. Okay, let's run it. It's asking for percentage. Let's enter percentage as, if you're scholar you will get 90 plus, so 92 percentage, enter. Grade is A plus. Okay, we'll rerun the program, and this time we'll enter some invalid number, that is the number which is greater than 100, that is 105. Press enter. Grade is A plus. Okay, now this program is not optimized for the percentage which are greater than 100, but it is optimized, it is not well optimized code, so we will change the code. We will write uh, elif statement only. Elif percentage is greater than 100, we have to print percentage cannot be greater than 100, and we'll just keep the else part as it is by saying that enter valid percentage. Okay, enter valid. Now let's save the program first and rerun it. Now let's check. If we enter 105, the grade is A plus, right? Then now guys, please pause the video and guess the error which we have encountered. Okay, according to me you have guessed the error. So error is here. If the percentage is greater than 80 and percentage is less than 100, you have to print a plus. In all other, if percentage is greater than 100, we'll print this message. Let's rerun the code. Now let's write 105, place enter. Percentage cannot be greater than 100. So we have modified the code for percentage which are greater than 100. If you have understood this problem very correctly, in comment section please provide me with the code showing. Wait, I'll write the problem statement of the code. Modify this code and solve it for negative percentage. Okay, now you'll give me with provide me the code and solution for this problem statement in the comment. The one who will provide me the right code will get a shout out in the next video. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please like the channel, like the video, subscribe the channel for more content.